All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 179. So the first one says 42 is 6 times as many as what? So if you think about your multiplication tables, 6 times 7 gives you 42. Or you could say 7 times 6. For the next one, we're going to multiply 100,000 times 1,000. And if you remember the little trick, so if you do 1 times 1, that's 1, and then just count your zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then every 3, you're going to have your comma for the different periods. So your answer is 100,000. For the next one, we're going to multiply. So put a 1 under that 9. So 7 times, nope, 7 times, oh, they changed it on us. Okay, so let me double check. Yep, they did change it, but it's okay. We've got it. So, okay, so you're going to do 7 times 9, which would give you 63. And then put 9 on the bottom. And then you would divide 63 divided by 9. Okay? So you do 63, 9. And you would get the whole number of 7. Because 9 times 7 gives you 63. Okay? Alright, and then for your next one, which is greater, 2 decades or 75 years. So a decade is 10 years. So 2 decades would be 20 years compared to 75. So 75 years is definitely larger. And then for number 5, it says which sign represents a pentagon. So a pentagon has 5 sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's an octagon. 1, 2, 3, that's a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So that is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. All right, guys, check yours.